things. My name is Scott, and today my wife has lost her diamond necklace. Or it's the diamond pendant. First thing you do, and she lost it in the bathroom, so the first thing that you do is you can usually unscrew these days. So I did that on her sink already. Turn off the light. First place you look is the sink. Now, I'm very fortunate. Oh, gosh, God, that's not supposed to do that. There we go. Wait. Usually this auto corrects when that does that. There we go. Wow. That's fascinating. I guess you're just going to have to deal with the flickering. You know, let me just turn the light back on. Can you turn on the light? Elaine. Can you turn on the light? Can you come over here and hold the flashlight?
Oh my God, there it is.
I'm very glad that you have hair in your sink.
You're brilliant.
I know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you too.